And this is the lineup for TFAG Kolad bike ride. Some people from Pune, some people from Mumbai gathering together to have a fantastic day. So here we have the, I think this is the volleyball or basketball tennis court. And this side we have the,
Yes, hi.
hi,
Hi,
enjoying your day?
Very good.
Sure. So, and these are the cottages all around. It looks like about 8 cottages with games and the private lake that you can see later. So this is the amazing Puja farm. Enjoying the day, guys, enjoying in this group house. We have just entered out here. A good place to spend your weekend, definitely, and surely you will make it here. Really enjoying this place. And look at that blue sky, man. After all the rains, we've got the blue skies. So friends, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to this new vlog, which is a ride to Kolad. Ride to Kolad at Puja farm. And this is, as you can see, the area from both sides. The cottages all over here, as you can see, and this is the mess and dining area, both in front of a lake. As you can see, it's almost a private lake. So we have come for a one-day ride to this place. We had left early in the morning by 8 o'clock from Panvel, but due to some riders coming late, we left by 8:45. So there was a little mismanagement of time over there, and then the roads were too, it was difficult to travel on the Mumbai Goa old highway. So it took about 4.5 hours to reach. Includes the breakfast that we had at 10 o'clock. So it was a 4.5 hour ride from Panvel till Kolad, and now it's almost time up to go to eat. We have reached here about at 12:30. It's 12:30 right now. So we reached at 12:30. It's time to go for a grub, for a lunch, which is veg, non-veg, both available. So let's go ahead and have our lunch. See you all later. So welcome guys from the Mumbai travel vlogger. Today we have come to this unique location at Kolad. As you can see around, the full scenery of this event. of this place is the lake, and all around is the greenery. Oh, oh, oh. Most unique place ever seen in Maharashtra. The main is this lake which we are going to now, and we have cottages in the lake, as you will see later. As now we have just had our food, our lunch. And here is the cottage in the lake. So it is a long ride from Mumbai with the tea faggers and enjoying this place. Enjoy the food too. Had a good, delicious, sumptuous food. So let's go ahead and we find more places to see. Ho ho! And see the view of the mountains. Oh, great, damn great. Ooh, and this is the cottage and tree. Whoa, and definitely beautiful scenic beauty all around. And the lake is mesmerizing.
के फ्लड में विक्टिम्स हो, केरला में हम लोगों ने बहुत सारा मदद किया था जब भी फ्लड हुआ था. देन मल्टीपल, तो ऑर्फनेज से लेके ओल्ड एज होम तक सब जगह पे हम लोगों ने डोनेशंस की है. वहाँ पे बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ की है.
थोड़ा भी उतना थोड़ा शांत है वैसे भी ग्रुप, क्योंकि कोविड के बाद फिर से रिफॉर्म हो रहा है.
थाने फ्रेंड्स का ग्रुप है, अभी भी तो एक्टिव नहीं है.
थाने नहीं, अभी तो TFG थाने हो गया ना उसके.
पहले इसका जो थाने फ्रेंड्स था ना,
तो उसको चेंज कर दिया ना हमने.
है वही, वो भी अभी है.
तो निकल जाओ वहाँ से. वैसे भी मैं खुद ही नहीं
वो एक्टिव ही नहीं है ना.
अच्छा,
बहुत लोग हो गए सारे.
हाँ निकल गए सर. यस सर, योर इंट्रोडक्शन, वी आर वेटिंग फॉर यू.
Sorry. My name is Abhinav Rai. So I'm the first recently joined the team. This is my first ride. I work with TUV soon.
तो आपका ये जो एनफील्ड है में पेंट कराए बोलते खराब हो जाएगा.
हाँ, मैंने
ऑफ रोड
ceramic हाँ, मैंने so hope you had a good ride. Yeah.
अच्छा, वो बाइक आपका
ब्राउन वाला है ना.
हाँ,
मेरा है.
ब्राउन कलर वाला ना.
हाँ ब्राउन मेरा.
कौन कितना हाउ डिड यू वापस लीड अपना
क्या? हाँ
बाइक के
बाइक है. ओके ओके. नाइस बाइक.
गूगल सर्च. गूगल
तर आज आमच्या बरोबर आहे संजय लकी सरे. तर हे तुम्हाला पूजा फार्मचं माहिती आता देणार आहे. चला
काय पाहिजे ते पहिले बोल.
बोला. नाही तुम्ही तुमचं काय काय आहे.
आमच्याकडे बघा पूजा फार्म आहे. पूजा फार्ममध्ये रिसॉर्टला स्टे आहे. ॲक्टिव्हिटी चालत नाही, राफ्टिंग चालते. आणि राफ्टिंगचे रेट अलग आहेत, आपले रेट अलग आहेत. आपल्या रेटमध्ये टेंट घेतलं तर 1300 रुपये पर पर्सन आहे. कॉटेज घेतलं तर 1600 रुपये आहे. AC घेतलं तर 2000 रुपये आहे पर पर्सन. त्यात लंच डिनर ब्रेकफास्ट इन्क्लूड आहे.
ओके.
आणि राफ्टिंगचे
ते वेगळे
1700 रुपये चार्जेस आहे.
ते किती लांब आहे
इथून 17 किलोमीटर स्टार्टिंग पॉईंट आहे.
अच्छा.
एंड पॉईंट 12 किलोमीटर आहे.
अच्छा.
आणि राफ्ट 12 किलोमीटर चालते. 2.5 तास बरोबर चालते.
ओके. ते फक्त सॅटर्डे संडेला,
सॅटर्डे संडे.
वीकडेजला नाही.
वीकडेला बी चालते. त्याचे रेट आले आहेत.
अच्छा. वीकडे कमी असणार की जास्त?
कमी आहे.
कमी असणार. ओके ओके.
ते 1300 रुपये.
पण ते ग्रुपमध्ये की
नाही पर पर्सन रेट आहे ते.
नाही मीन लोक येतात ग्रुपमध्ये पण येतात आणि कपल पण येतात. तर कपल पण जाऊ शकतात.
कपल बी जाऊ शकतात,
आणि ग्रुप पण जाऊ शकतात. आणि आता इथे ग्रुपमध्ये किती माणसं तुम्ही?
आपले 110 लोकांची कॅपॅसिटी
आहे. AC नॉन AC सगळं पकडू
सगळे.
अच्छा अच्छा. चला मग,
अजून
थँक्यू
काय
व्हेरी
पाहिजे
मच.
असेल
आम्ही भेटू आता पुढे. आता
थँक्यू.
तुम्ही पण या आता पूजा फार्मला कोलाडमध्ये, आणि संजयला
भेटू.
भेटा. ओके, थँक्यू.
थँक्यू.
Just look at the scenery all around. Never in everyday life it is never ever possible to get this kind of place to spend a day, spend a few days would be much better if we can enjoy this kind of weather and this kind of nature. And this is the end of the monsoon seasons of 2022. So have a look at the view around. Totally mesmerizing, magical, adventurous. Really liking the view. I hope you all too like it, and hope you all manage to give some likes to our videos. Aiming for 500 likes in our next videos that are coming up. Please try to give us some likes, support us, support our channel. And this is the Mumbai travel vlogger signing off for today from Kolad at the Puja's farm. So see you all till next time. Have a great time, enjoy yourselves, and be ready for more virtual vlogs coming up in the near future. So let's meet in some days. You all will come to know many more rides coming in the weeks ahead. So let's watch out for these rides. I hope you all do enjoy it, and please do share the videos and give us your likes. We need your likes, very very important. So aiming at 500 likes for this video. So it's time to leave from Puja farm at Kolad, and this is how it looks. This is what we have as the entrance gate, as you will see now. This is how it looks. Really enjoyed the food. I enjoyed the really waiting to come back for a stay at this place. It's really good, vibrant nature around. Only there could have been some water sports or something around here, it would definitely be much better. But anyway, as it says, Dagadwadi, Post Kudali, Raigad, Maharashtra 402308. So after a ride, it's time to leave home and get ready for a ride back home. And signing off from the Mumbai travel vlogger.
पोहा गीला हो जाएगा दो ले लो